to share the stage for a big corporate show with the big stars such as Miss Lea Salonga, Mr. Martin Rivera, Miss Lani Misalucha, Mr. Jed Madela, and Mr. Christian Bautista. Wow! Talagang amazing na makasama ko silang mag-perform. So I want to do my best. That's why it's important to keep on rehearsing the songs and numbers. Nakakatuwa rin makipag-mingle with them because they're really fun to be with. Favorite ko yun, yung kapag may time na nag-iintay for boarding, ganyan. Ayun, nasa lounge lang kami, nasa kwentuhan, nagkakabiruan. Hello, ano to kami ngayon sa boarding na kami, sa papaan, sa ang buhok ko. Ayan, si Sarah nandun sa class kami na sa ikati. Minsan gusto ko maging Sarah yun. Yung flight namin from Manila to Hong Kong. Early flight lang. Galing kami nun sa TV commercial shoot ng Jollibee. So, natapos yun ng mga 12:30 ganyan, midnight. Tapos, ang flight time namin, dapat mga 5 p.m. Kasi nung kami kasi ang flight ay 8. Yun, kasama namin lumipad sila Christian, sila Jed, yung mga musicians, backup singers, at kasama ko, of course, my parents, si Mami at saka si Daddy, sila Sir Jonathan, sila Ate Evelyn, si Kuya Monching, yung aming technician, ganyan. Ang sound engineer, yun, yun. See? How are you doing? Pagkagaling sa airport, sumakay kami sa isang service na isang shuttle, magkakasama kami buong entourage doon. At ayun, medyo mahaba-haba ng konti yung biyahe. Pero nakarating naman kami sa Mandarin Hotel. December. At, ayun, nakakatuwa naman na same hotel pa rin, parang deja vu. Kasi yung kwarto namin, parang kamukha ng kwarto namin last year. mga songs.
Rehearsal. Ay, nakakakaba kasi hindi kami kasama namin. Tapos sumakanta ang hira. Working with world-class artists makes the rehearsals, makes the performances really easy. Of course, headed by, of course, our musical director, Louis Ocampo, our director, Roel Santiago. Everything was really, free-flowing. Everyone did their parts. They knew their parts. They knew where to go.
This is the first time we've actually worked together, spent more than a few hours in a room. And if anything, she really buckles down to work. She knows what she's doing once it's time for showtime. And hindi kami nilugan sa rehearsal. Siya yata yung pinakaseryoso nag-i-ensayo. Kasi lahat kami medyo mabago, medyo may pao lahat kami sa ulo. Hindi, dinuloy, nakainit, Felicia, lagi ng tupo, nag-i-dress ka na, huwag ka na, hindi ka mo, di ba?
Pag ito na tao ko na. Yes, Nicole is the joy of my staying here. Talagang the joy of everybody. You're next eating here. Talagang ang kulit niya sa eksena kasama, lalaligo kami together. So, gumagawa siya ng story,